Hi, I'm Valeria Westra with Love Your Skin Academy, helping you feel fantastic in your skin. Today I would like to talk about proper skincare routines and most common mistakes. If you're in your 50s like myself, or maybe you're younger or older, and you started noticing some signs of maybe aging or some unhealthy signs, and you realize you haven't been giving your skin proper tender loving care, and your skin is craving it right now, well, I want you to be optimistic about it. It's never late to start, and if you start now, you'll still have many years ahead of you of healthy skin, glowing, healthy looking skin. First of all, your morning and evening routines are very important. Why? Well, there is one reason I want to mention, and that's the power of sensory experience. Your routines involve many different senses, and I believe in the power of sensory experiences in order to get in touch with your authentic self. And it's a time that you can spend at least twice a day, just one-on-one with yourself. And it's a terrific time, and I'm sure once you start doing it on a regular basis, you will really enjoy it. So your routines should include proper cleansing, toning, applying a serum that has more concentrated ingredients than your day cream or night cream, and then followed by moisturizer and eye cream. Oh, do you think you need to use eye cream? I believe so, especially as you get older. I personally have been using eye cream all my life, but I know many people just use their day or night cream instead of eye cream. I don't think it's a good idea because the skin around your eyes is very delicate, it's very thin, and the products for eye cream are specially formulated to address the needs of that part of your face. So I definitely recommend you use a proper eye cream. Uh, One common mistake is not cleansing your skin properly, and that is, of course, very important. Cleansing will remove all dirt, debris, your makeup, so that your products will penetrate better. Because if you don't clean your face and then you apply your moisturizer or your night cream, you're basically wasting the product a lot of times. Also, not applying any creams overnight is a very big mistake, because the nighttime is then when your body and your skin regenerates itself. So you're wasting the entire many hours that can be used for your skin to absorb products that are beneficial for it. Another mistake is to ignore your neck and décolleté area. Those are the areas that give away our age very often if we don't take proper care of it. So in order not to forget about these areas, perhaps you should start your routines from your décolleté and neck area and then go to your face. So yeah, these are some of recommendations. So what else? I think the masks. I sometimes hear women say that should we use masks? Masks, of course, are a good idea to use a couple of times a week, and some of them can be applied also overnight. So no matter what products you use, and we will address some of the products in the future videos, but if you stick to recommendations and have your routines properly done every day, every morning and every night, you will see great results very soon. So these are my recommendations. If you, as I said, if you haven't started, now is the time. You can always choose to do more for yourself, to be more and to become more. And then as a result, you will start, loving yourself more and see great results in your life and how you feel and how you look. So isn't that fantastic? If you like these tips, please go to my Facebook page, Love Your Skin Academy with Valeria Westra. There you can like, share or comment or ask me a question. I'll see you in the future videos. Have a good day. Bye-bye.